Welcome to Independence, Ohio, where H&M Landscaping is doing one of their large corporate facilities. We're out here doing a spring cleanup. Of course, the guys came in first. They edged all the beds, put down a weed pre-emergent. We try to use a 50-50 organic mulch. As you can see, it's got a lot of organics in it. The main purpose for mulch is threefold. One is to retain moisture, but it's also to return the nutrients back into the soil. So using the compost helps do that a lot quicker, and it also is to retard weed growth as well. As you can see, the guys put a nice, clean, sharp line on all the beds. We put our weed pre-emergence down. We trim all the bushes before we do the mulch application. You'll see earlier in the video we have our mulch mule, which helps our team kind of unload the mulch and spread it a lot quicker. So let's come down and see the staff working. As you can see, it's a little bit of a difficult site. It's got a lot of hills to it. The team would go ahead and place the mulch in various locations, and then they'll go ahead and rake it out to an approximate thickness of about 1 inch. We don't recommend going more than 1 inch if you're going to mulch every year. Okay, so as you come down here, we have our mulch mule in action. As you can see, the team puts cones out to make sure that we provide safety around all of our customers. This machine, its purpose is to alleviate some of the back-breaking work that comes along with mulching. As the staff pulls up with their wheelbarrow, inside of that is a large drum that turns, and it fills each wheelbarrow by pulling the hydraulic lever. That saved our team from the back-breaking work of getting it out of a normal truck like most people mulch by hand. So after our staff brings the mulch out of the truck or out of the mulch mule, and you saw the piles that they distribute out, they evenly go through and spread all the mulch across the beds to give it a nice finished look to it. Once again, you can see how they kind of bring it around all the perennials. It's a pretty labor-intensive process. A lot of it has to be done by hand. A lot of it has to be done on their hands and knees, but you can see it's very evenly spread and professionally done. And that's what we bring to you at H&M Landscaping, a nice professional cleanup.